Hello Plums, welcome back to my channel. It's Jaynnifa here. So in this video I'm going to be showing us how to set up your ventilating needle. So stay tuned and keep watching. So this is basically what it looks like. It has these two screws, so you can open the first and the second one, but you have to insert your needle in the first one. So I have up to 4 needles here, the 3 to 4, the 1 to 2, the 1 to 1, and the 2 to 3 needle. So I'll be using the 3 to 4 needle. This needle is so tiny. I mean, the 4 of them they're so tiny. So you have to secure it in those plastic bags. You have to insert the needle on the upper part of the holder, and while making sure the second part is properly tight. So when you insert the needle, you close it up. Same way, if you want to remove the needle, you have to open that first part and change your needle if you have to. It's basically like a screw, so you have to tighten it properly for your needle to hold. That's it for this video. It's so easy to set up, so just watch this video, and if you find it helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more videos, and I hope you guys engage in my videos. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.